welcome back to my channel. This is me, Shalini Samadhan, and I'm back with a new quarantine period video. So this video is going to be with my sister. Meet Srijoni Samadhar. She reads in class 8 and she is my sibling. So what we decided is that we're gonna get ready and make a video together. So in this video we are going to do a question answer round. Like I will be asking a few questions to my sister and I'll see how well she knows me. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Let me shoot the first question. The first question is, what is my favorite movie?
Ashiki 2.
Okay, that's right. That's my all-time favorite movie. Okay, that's in Bollywood. Name one in Hollywood also.
Harry Potter. Twilight.
Yes, that's the right answer. It's Twilight. Okay, so she passes the first round successfully.
1 point.
Now, my favorite TV serial, all-time favorite.
It's Pyar Ki Ek Kahani.
Yes, this is like my favorite show since childhood. I've been mad about it, like, you know, totally crazy fan. So yeah, it's Pyar Ki Ek Kahani. My favorite god.
It's Krishna and it's Krishna.
Yes, Krishna is the right answer. Second.
And Hanuman.
Yes, right. Good. Now, who is my celebrity crush? Which is one crush, celebrity crush have had in my life. So you have to answer.
That's
this
so
one.
confusing. She doesn't like any one of them. Is it Kartika? No, it's not Kartika Aryan.
Very wrong answer. Very stupid guess. Okay. Do you know it?
No.
Tick tick 1,
I
tick
really
tick
don't
2,
know.
tick tick 3, tick tick 4.
Okay, fine. Tell the answer.
Oh God, you would be so annoyed to hear this. It's Arijit Singh. Yeah, you knew it all the time. She knew it. Okay, she just forgot. Okay, this was such an obvious answer because literally everybody in my house knows how crazy
I thought
am.
it was.
How
it was about an
crazy
actor.
I am for Arijit Singh. I said celebrity. I never said singer or actor. Okay, it's celebrity. Arijit Singh is a celebrity. This was a very bad guess. Okay. Okay, next. Who is my idol? This is a tough one.
No, it is. From Bollywood.
No, it's like normally kahin se bhi. It might be from Bollywood, might be from family, might be some great personality. I've told you this before, but you don't remember.
Mahatma
मुझे
Gandhi.
याद कैसे नहीं आ रहा है नहीं. Somewhat close बोल सकता है. Close भी नहीं है यार, कुछ और ही है. पता है तेरे को? So she doesn't know. Okay. So the answer is Mother Teresa. This was obvious because I've always been into things like that, and she knows it very well, but she did not guess the name properly. It's okay. Okay, now, have I ever been into a physical fight?
With me 3 times. With one of our friends 2 times.
So this is a very funny tale. Like when I was in class 4, by mistake I had hit one of my very good friends. She's also a good friend to me now, and by mistake I did that. I was angry and I never knew that it was going with that force. So what I did was that I hit her like this here, and I thought it was very aste. I never thought बहुत जोर से मार दिया. But after hitting her, she started crying. So when we all took her hand to see what has happened, that area was completely black. I had hit her so badly and I had no idea about it. So yeah, that was it.
And me too.
She छोड़ दो, उसका तो बात ही मत करो. One day
She had scratched my face.
literally she was bleeding, like not exact bleeding, like scratches and all were all over her body. So it was a very bad
She's
fight.
a monster.
We bought-
She is a monster.
Oh, she's not also very good. She has also hit me. Okay, come on.
But it didn't destroy her face.
Okay, right, whatever. Okay, so moving on to the next question. What is my biggest dream?
Her biggest dream is to build an orphanage for small kids and for old people.
Orphanage for kids and old age home for old people. Yes, that's the right answer. Good. She knows me. Okay. Which is my favorite book?
Twilight.
Yes, right. Also, there's another.
13 Reasons Why. Some like Hardy Boys. No. You read something. The Seven or something like that. Seven था ना?
No.
मुझे एक Seven था ना?
I can give you the author's name. It is
Paul. No.
no, not Paul Coelho. It's मैं खुद भूल गया. I forgot my favorite book's author name. This is ridiculous.
This is crazy.
Okay, so with that book's name is If It's Not Forever, It's Not Love. It is of Durjoy Datta. Yes, it's of Durjoy Datta.
I didn't know about it.
Now, name 5 of my hobbies. Fast.
Very fast. Dance, sing, making YouTube videos, and not reading books. Sorry.
I don't like to read books. Fourth one. Come on. Okay, let it be. She can't answer. So the last two, I would say, I love doing plays and dramas. I'm really a keen actress.
I remember. It's poetry.
Yes, right. I
It's
love
poetry.
writing poetries and articles and so many things. So yeah, that.
I answered 4.
Yeah, right. Okay, then, which sports do I want to play?
Basketball,
Another one is also there.
badminton,
Yes, good.
and cricket also.
Yeah, but I am very bad at it. I suck at it. Okay, the last one. Have I ever failed in a subject?
Yes, it's computer. She had failed 3 times in that specific subject.
And you know what's the funniest story? I did it purposely because I did not want.
Purposefully.
And you know what's the funniest part? I did that purposefully. Like, I never wanted to take computer when I was in class 9, and because my parents somehow persuaded me to take it. It was a good decision, which I realized later, but that time I was very rigid, so I never wanted to read computer, so I didn't, and I failed knowingly, for 3 times. Right. So that's the story. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. My sister was okay-ish. It was not that bad. She knew me somehow, so it's not a very bad score, to be honest. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, stay at home, stay safe. Tata.
Bye bye.